Fish. Say that again. Say hi, Fish.
Hi, Fish.
Don't go so close to it. Stay like here.
Hi, guys.
Where are we going? We're going to town? Alright. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, I got a little rest. I got about 5 hours, which feels like 2, but at least I got something. I am up early this morning because I need to reach this place in town early to see if I can get my hair done. No, not my hair. Oh, see, I'm going crazy. To get my nails done, the usual place that I used to get my nails done is not open. They're on break, and I just have to try and find somewhere else. My second option, she's also on vacation, and I found this other place, so I'm gonna try and see if I can get there and get it done without an appointment, because everywhere you have to have an appointment, but this place says you can come without appointment. So I'm gonna go there this morning to check and see if I can get an appointment real quick to get my nails done real quick. They open at 10 and it's after 9 right now, so I should get there a little after 10 a.m. So yeah, that's what's up right now. Baby's off to work. He's back to work from vacation. Yes, Tyler? You want to talk to Faves? Yes. You talk to Faves when Mama is finished, okay? What did I just say? You're not listening. I say you talk to Faves when Mama is finished.
Please, Mama.
You want to talk to Faves. So baby's off to work and I have to go to work later, so I am going on the road to come back to see if I can at least make dinner before I head off to work. So let's see how that's gonna go. I hope you guys are having a good day, and then hope you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I have so much to do, it's crazy. I have to pack today. I have to get everything done today, so that way I can leave 1 day window for mistakes to see if I miss anything and stuff like that for tomorrow. And then the following day we're off to Jamaica, so it's just crazy around here. Anyway, you guys, I am going to head out on the road to catch the bus, head to town, get my nails done. Make sure you guys have a productive day, whatever it is that you guys are doing today. I love you guys, and if it's your first time to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. We love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Bye, guys. Bye, Fish.
Look at his fresh haircut. You love your hair? You love your hair?
Yeah.
Yes. You ready to go on the road with Mama?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
No.
Finally got my nails done. I saw this color on Instagram on one of my favorite Jamaican artists, and I'm in love with it, so I decided that I'm gonna try something new. Normally when I do my nails, I never does bright colors. I've never done bright color nails, so I decided to change it up a bit. And since I'm going to grandma's funeral, I wanted a little pop of color with all the sad black that will be there, so I decided to go with this neon yellow, and it's super cute. Neon yellow or neon green, which one do you call it? neon something. Yeah, so that's my nails. And the original place that I used to go to do my nails is closed for the summer, so I had to go to somebody new, which I really love this person that I went to today, and I paid 50 euros to do my nails. Jeez, that's like 5,000 Jamaican dollars. In Jamaica that could give me 2 nail appointments. But anyway, I got my nail done, and that's all that matters. I didn't want to go to Jamaica to get all these things done because I wouldn't have time. So I'm happy I got it done. Tyler fell asleep on his way home, and I just put him in bed, and now I am here making dinner. I am just throwing down something real quick. So I'm making some braised chicken in there, and then in here I have quinoa. So that's what chicken is going to be for tonight, and I think I'm going to eventually do some veggies. But yeah, I'm still busy. Even though I just got home, I still have a few things to do, and then I probably have like an hour to just breathe before I head out to work. Anyway, you guys, if you're in a situation like me where you just have so much things to do, just do what you have to do, time management, and you get everything done. Even though you'll be super exhausted, you may not get everything done, but at least you feel accomplished at some point throughout the day. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna finish cook, get some more stuff done around here, and I'll catch you guys at some point. You guys, my job, ow, that's hot. You guys, my job here is done. Chicken's ready, and quinoa's ready. I don't think the steamed veg is gonna make the cut tonight, so if we're gonna have any form of vegetable, it's going to have to be raw veg. Comment down below and let me know what you guys made for dinner today, or what you guys will be making for dinner. Share the yumminess.
Hi guys, and happy Monday. Yeah, it's been a long day. That's the reason why you didn't see me all day. Back to work today. After 2 weeks of vacation is always hard, and as I reach work, they told me that I have to go to another city. So yeah, that's the job, that's work. So it's been a very long day. I spent 2 hours something in the transportation. Yeah, it's hot like, whew. I felt like I'm gonna melt. So yeah, you know this feeling when you feel your body, the water, you're just in the sun and you feel the water running down your body. Oh Lord, that's the feeling that I had today. It was just so hot. So this should cancel work when it's that hot. So yeah, thinking about all the people that work in the desk and with the AC and all of these things, so yeah, I hope you guys, you're all doing well. I'm home. I won't say alone because I'm not alone. I'm home. Baby's actually sleeping. She almost didn't sleep all night. I think you saw her. She looks very pretty like this, but it took her a little while. So she went to bed very late. She struggled all day. She had to do her things, get ready for Wednesday, and yeah, she's off to bed. I don't know if she will wake up, but she's so tired. Tyler is full of energy. Tyler had to go in his room because he's actually in the living room. He's running everywhere. I have to sometimes just go in his room and silent. As a parent, you know, it's, oh, silent feels great. Oh, silent. Even though I don't know if you hear the music, there's still some music. Oh Lord, only at night when Tyler is bed is a relief. So I might soon put him in bed. It's almost 10 p.m. It's very late, and it's only summer, and yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy a little time with him and put him in bed, and then relax and enjoy the silence.
And as babe told you guys, I went to bed, and right now you guys are seeing me the next morning. I woke up and is editing that vlog, and I'm still in bed, I went to bed when babe told you that I was sleeping and I haven't woke up. I didn't wake up until next morning. It's crazy how tired I was, but at least I got a little nap. I woke up and I'm still at it again. I am now going to finish edit that vlog and get some breakfast. Anyway, you guys, that brings us to the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for every single thing, all the love and all the support. We appreciate and love every single one of you guys. So if it's your first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Catch up and keep up with us. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know where you guys are watching from and if you guys will be looking forward to all the Jamaica vlogs and stuff. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys and I'll see you guys tomorrow.